Hi guys, I look really bad right now, but anyways, I'm doing my annual mascara routine. I really wasn't gonna do it this year only because I just never felt like it. I've been doing it for the past 5 years since 2017, so I'm gonna do it again. My Instagram is right here along with every social media I have is website Snapchat, which you can find in my Instagram bio. A lot of the products are the same, and I know no one's gonna see this, but yeah. So Mascara Routine 2021, let's get into it. I don't know if a lot of people do this, but I always put my hair up when I'm doing my mascara because I don't want my hair to get in my eyes. But let me zoom it in and we'll get started. Oh, first let me show you what I use. If you watch my old ones, I used like 7, but all mine are like dry right now because I haven't got new ones. But I use the CoverGirl Expedition-ish, can't say it, but this. I use the Milk mascara, the mini ones. That's what I got for my thingy. I don't know. This Last Sensational I've been using for literally like 7 years. I will never stop using it. And then this Last Sensational and this one, I use both. They're a good mixture. And normally I do use this one, but I literally ran out and there's nothing in it, so there's no point to. But yeah, the order I go in, just so you guys know, is I do this first because this one is really good for helping separate. I do this one next because this one's good for adding volume. I do this one next for separation, and then I use this one for more volume, and this one is so fucking black, so it makes them like pop. Yep. Don't judge my skin. Honestly, my skin's not even that bad. It's just like, Going in with CoverGirl Exhibitionist. I don't know how to say it. I basically twirl it up like I do. I twirl it, and I shake at the same time, so they separate. Because this is honestly the best mascara to do if you want to separate your lashes. I normally go over it like twice. Lashes are not the best right now because I've been wearing mascara honestly like non-stop. And it's good to give your lashes a break because whenever I take a break from wearing mascara, even for a few days, I notice a difference in the outcome of it besides days where I wear my mascara back to back. Now, next up is the Milk one. I do the same thing, twirl and shake. Oh, I just poked myself. Don't do that. My mascaras right now are very, very dry. That's why it's like not as good as it would be if I bought new ones. But these are them right now. And honestly, there's not even like a big difference yet. Just gotta wait for this one, and then there will be. Sensational, the pink one. And I'm doing the exact same thing. And this time I'm using, so this is like, look at the wand. It sparks up. So I twirl it till it gets the sparks and I just put it through my lashes. And that's with that. Always shake your brush so your eyes stay separated. I don't know where to put my phone because no angle's working. Okay, I have to do it from this angle because my phone just won't stay. But now I'm going with my Last Sensational, the one I use literally for everything. And I'm just adding it. I'll show you the difference between the eyes after. But I go over with this a few times. And then I go in with my Milk one to make sure they're really separated. Because this mascara sometimes clumps. I'm sorry, my pimples, but you guys got to see the difference. So I'm covering my pimples because they're actually kind of bad. But I'm going to show you guys the difference right now. So on the right is the Last Sensational with it on. The left is with it off. This is with one coat of it on, and that's what it looks like compared to this one with just nothing on it with it. But I'm going to do 2 more coats on this side and then more on that eye. And then I'll come back for the final results. So yeah, this is my mascara. This is my right eye. The lighting's like actually really bad. But yeah. Like this lighting, you can't even like see it. This lighting, you can literally not see it. Okay, here's natural lighting. This is the last few I'm gonna show because all of them suck. So, okay, this is it with flash. I don't know if it's doing anything because I can't see, but honestly, I don't even care. This video sucked. I know it did. I'm at my dorm. I'm not home, so it's more difficult, I guess, and it's messy, and here's a mess. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't use as much mascara as I used to. This is them. And yeah, I don't know, my Mascara Routine 2021, 5th year in a row doing it. Not much to it. It's really stupid. I didn't even want to do this. I wasn't gonna do it, but then I got bored, so I just did it. So yeah.